Average speed is always calculated by doing distance traveled divided by time taken. Um, Speed is not always distance over time. So basically that's true if it's a constant speed, and it sort of can be turned into this formula, average speed. But it's not true like if if your speed is changing throughout. So that's just something to be aware of. Okay, so we need to figure out the distance traveled while we're going from home to university, and yeah, we might be traveling and then stopping and traveling again. It doesn't really matter. We've traveled 160 kilometers. Note the answer is in kilometers per hour, so we want this unit on top to be in kilometers, which it is, and then we want to get the unit on the bottom, the time, in terms of hours. And at the moment, we've got the sort of 24-hour clock going on, so we can see this is going to be 1 hour. We've got another 1 hour, and then it's just a matter of figuring out this little bit here, because that's when we've got to the university. And I can see that 1, 2, 3, 4, we need 4 of these little bars to give 1 hour. We've got 2 here, so this is going to be half an hour, and we're overall going to be dividing by 2.5. Now, how can we do 160 divided by 2.5 without a calculator? There's a few ways you can do it. I'm going to go with, so we could change this to 25 and this to 1,600 and then do a decimal, then do like a division, that would work. I'm going to be a bit sneakier. I'm actually going to times top and bottom by 2. So that's going to become 320 on top divided by 5. And that's going to be much easier to do. I can even do another step. I could times top and bottom by 2 now to give me 640 divided by 10. And then that's really easy to do without a calculator. The answer is just going to be 64. So 64 kilometers per hour. I mean, this last little bit, this is the main bit you should get to, and then you need to find a way of being able to deal with that without a calculator. But yeah, that's using the graph to be able to calculate the average speed.